Have you ever wondered how you can remove the background of a video and replace it with a picture or a video background like the one you're seeing on the screen? Welcome to DigitalGasser. Today I'll be walking you through step by step how to achieve that on Canva. Let's get started. Log into your Canva account and click on Create. Then choose Video and choose your aspect ratio. If you have a video you want to work with, you can import it into Canva. But for this tutorial, I will be importing video from the video section of Canva. So let's search for walking. Click on video, then search for walking. If you have your own video, just drag it and drop it on the canvas. For us, we'll be using this video, so we'll drag it and drop it on this canvas. Next, click on the video you just drag into the canvas and set it as the background of the canvas. To remove the background, we have to click on the video and then click on BG remover. Now that the background of our video has been taken care of, let's go and replace the background by searching for another video background to put as the background. So let's go and look for that. Okay, we'll work with this video and let's drag it, drop it on the canvas and set it as the background video. Our video is now ready. If you found value in today's tutorial, please click the like and subscribe button. Till next time, happy creating. Bye.